Welcome back to Spy Garage.
A major advancement in the luxury recreational vehicle sector, the 2026 Integra Elegant Motorhome is expected to combine cutting-edge technical integration, elegant design, and unmatched comfort for discriminating tourists. Although specifics are still pending formal confirmation, this motorhome is expected to represent a concept of subtle luxury, emphasizing a smooth and elegant journey. It is anticipated that the 2026 Integra Elegant Motorhome's appearance will prioritize a streamlined and aerodynamic style above ostentation. Advanced composite materials will probably be used to build the body, guaranteeing both structural integrity and weight reduction, which will improve fuel economy and provide a smoother ride. The color scheme will probably lean toward tasteful, subdued hues, with the potential to add delicate metallic accents that highlight the car's beautiful lines. It is expected that large, frameless windows will optimize natural light infiltration and offer expansive vistas of the surrounding area. Low-profile, integrated lighting systems for safety and illumination will probably blend in perfectly with the bodywork, adding to the overall modern and coherent design. The 2026 Integra Elegant Motorhome's dedication to sophisticated luxury will be most noticeable inside. Using luxury, natural materials like soft leathers, custom linens, and hardwood floors, the design concept will probably focus on creating a homey atmosphere. It is expected that the layout will be carefully planned to optimize both space and utility, maybe using creative spatial arrangements that heighten the feeling of openness. The living space will probably be equipped with tastefully styled, cozy seating arrangements, perhaps with modular components for added adaptability. The cabinetry will effortlessly integrate integrated entertainment systems with top-notch audio and high-resolution monitors. With its solid surface counters, high-end equipment, and plenty of cleverly arranged storage options, the kitchen will be a showcase for both style and functionality. Comfortable, premium beds and thoughtfully chosen lighting will be features of the sleeping areas, which will be intended as peaceful havens. The bathroom will probably include high-end fixtures, sophisticated finishes, and a thoughtful layout that optimizes both comfort and space, giving the impression of a spa. It is anticipated that the 2026 Integra Elegant Motorhome will lead the RV industry in technological integration. This will probably include a complete smart home system that enables voice commands or integrated touchscreens to operate lighting, climate, entertainment, and security systems in an easy manner. Travel planning and communication will be smooth thanks to sophisticated navigation and networking technology. To improve safety and driving convenience, driver support technologies including improved braking systems, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assistance are probably going to be included. Additionally, a strong power management system that may include solar panels and large capacity batteries would guarantee energy independence and effective onboard system performance. The 2026 Integra Elegant Motorhome is anticipated to provide a sophisticated driving experience while putting comfort and elegance first. With the possibility of integrating cutting-edge suspension technology, the chassis will probably be designed for stability and a comfortable ride. In addition to taking fuel economy into account, the powertrain will be selected to deliver enough power and torque for smooth cruising. To guarantee a peaceful and comfortable trip, the noise, vibration, and harshness (NVH) levels will be carefully controlled. The 2026 Integra Elegant Motorhome is anticipated to be positioned at the upper end of the luxury RV market, catering to affluent individuals and couples who want to travel in style and comfort without sacrificing either.